Hello students, so today I will discuss about the EERD. So this is the Enhanced Entity Relationship Diagram. So given the scenario, we will make an ERD. So remember ERD has the superclass and the subclass. So this is now the scenario. So Alsama Construction Company has a database which keeps tracks of 3 types of employees among many types of employees in its main office. So meaning we are keeping track of 3 types of employees. So now the superclass is employees and it has many types. So the types are here. So the employees are classified as director, manager, and specialist. So definitely your superclass is employees. Then the subclass of employees are director, manager, and specialist. So we will write it like this one. So employee, then down here, circle, then director, manager, and specialist. After that says here, each employee is identified with EMP number and contact number is also recorded. So this is for general attributes. So for the employee, you have to write the EMP as the primary key or the key identifier and then the contact number. After that, we have here a manager. So this is one of the types of employees. Says here, has manager start date as specific attribute. So meaning this specific attribute is for the manager entity. So we have here manager, then we write here the manager start date. Then, just read along, director has experience. So we write director experience. Then specialist has a skill. So specialist has a skill. So that's for the superclass employee and subclass director, manager, and specialist. So for the manager, we have the MGR start date. Now, after that, there's another level. All the specialists in the company are classified further as full-time and part-time. So meaning, for the specialist, we still have two classification. That is the full-time and the part-time. Then after that, says here, they belong to exactly one of the specialist group, but cannot be both. So meaning, the specialist should be either full-time or part-time. There's no other type of specialist, so only these two. So that's why we use the total participation, and they cannot be both, meaning they cannot be both full-time and part-time. So only one. So we write here disjoint. Okay, now going back to the employee, as you can see, says here among many types. So meaning if it's among many types, there are also other types of employees. So aside from these 3, director, manager, and specialist. So that's why what we have here is just partial participation. Okay? Then, of course, the employee cannot be working as both director and manager or manager and specialist. So this is disjoint also. Okay? Then the last one, full-time specialist has special attribute contract. So we have here full-time contract and our rate for the part-time. So this is now our final answer for our EERD. So please try and practice.